I thought I'd just show you this, right? Because it says here, it's only like little snacks, but we'll see if there's anything. You can see them. It's just like cereal bars and popcorn and stuff.
Welcome on board this Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling at Wigan Northwestern, Warrington Bank Quay, Crewe, Wolverhampton, Sandwell and Dudley, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Rugby, Milton Keynes Central, Watford Junction. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Whatever.
Yeah, maybe a rice ball, veggie and yeah, have a look, see if they can try some. There's coffee, yeah, I've fixed. But if they haven't got the rice ball, there's no snack.
No, just, yeah, that's why I got either rice ball or ice cream.